Hello, my name is Chris and I want to introduce you to H&I Automotive. So if you are looking for a new facility to take care of your automobile needs, hopefully give H&I a try. H&I has been in business for 9 years, originally in Mesa, and now we have a second location in Gilbert. Either one will take very good care of you, and that is what we do the best here. We take care of our customer. Everybody could change your oil, repair your car, but taking care of you, that's a whole different ballgame. So we have systems like digital vehicle inspections, we have a customer reward program, we have one of the best warranties in the industry at 5 years, 60,000 miles, and then we have a really great maintenance program for your vehicle, because maintenance is key to having a safe, reliable vehicle, and we will set a schedule that's easy to follow and it's easy on the pocketbook. So if you want to try a new place for auto repair, please look up hniautomotive.com. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. So H&I Automotive, we're here to help. Give us a try, and we look forward to seeing you. Thank you so much.